Stop thinking that you have to work yourself to exhaustion to earn more. Instead, focus on if you already hate working one job, chances are you don't want to be forced to work a second or third job just to earn more money. And you shouldn't have to. The point of earning more money is to enjoy life more. And you can't do that by working harder and spending more time at work. Well, lucky for us, money doesn't require hard work. Money will come without us having to work hard as long as you do these certain things. We've been programmed to believe that in order to earn a lot of money, we have to hustle hard, grind every day, and burn ourselves out. But that's not true. You most likely have already seen this for yourself, especially if you work a traditional 9 to 5. Look at senior management at your workplace. How much work do they actually do compared to the amount of money they earn? Now, how does that compare to what you do and how much you get paid? The gap can be crazy, right? The truth is, it's not just hard work that makes you money. In fact, the more we obsess over working hard and stressing about money, the further we push it away. Money is energy, and when we're fixated on chasing it, it can be even harder to get. To start earning the money we deserve, we need to shift our mindset. We have to make money the least of our concerns. Let me repeat that. We have to make money the least of our concerns. The moment we stop stressing about money and focus on what really matters, helping as many people as we can, it all starts to change. Our bank accounts will start to reflect that. It doesn't matter what kind of job you have, whether you're a cashier, a waiter, an entrepreneur, or anything in between. The key is to focus on how many people you can positively impact. The money will come as a result. I'm seeing it firsthand for myself with my book sales on Amazon KDP. Now, I'm still not selling thousands of books, not even hundreds of books a month. But in these last couple months, my sales have doubled and I haven't done anything differently. And I know this is only the beginning. When we put our energy into helping people, we naturally raise our vibration. And in this higher vibration, we attract abundance. But the moment we let negativity creep in, whether it's frustration from our job or stress about bills, we lower our vibration and block the flow of abundance into our lives. This is why it's so important to keep a positive attitude. I'm not saying life will never throw challenges at us, but the way we respond to those challenges is everything. If we focus on the problem, we're going to attract more problems. If we focus on the solution and the positive outcome we want, we're going to attract that. Napoleon Hill once said, "Be careful what you set your heart upon, because if you set your heart on anything and stand by that decision, you're going to get it." And it's true. Whatever we set our heart and mind on, good or bad, will come to us. So why not set your heart on abundance? Why not stay focused on helping others, spreading positivity, and living with purpose? If you do that, the money will flow effortlessly. Money is just a byproduct of the value we bring to others. The more lives we impact, the more energy and abundance will be returned to us. It's a natural law. So today, I challenge you to start shifting your mindset. Stop thinking that you have to work yourself to exhaustion to earn more. Instead, focus on living with purpose, helping others, and staying positive no matter what. When you shift your vibration, everything else will shift, including your bank account. Keep your vibration high, stay positive, and watch the money flow your way. For more on manifesting whatever you want in life, watch this next video. I'll see you on the other side.